What's up YouTube? It's another day, another project, and I'm working on my 93 Dodge Cummins. I'm going to show you how I just adjusted my rear brakes, and I just recently replaced my rear shoes, springs, e-brake cables, and just wanted to put a video on how we adjusted the rear brakes. And you know, there's a few different ways to go about it, so this is just how we did it. Let me know if you do it differently, or if you got any tips for next time. I would appreciate it. So cheers. Here we go.
It was already backed off all the way, and when I tried to adjust it up, it wouldn't go anywhere. So you just don't want to do too much. You'll feel the drag.
Yeah.
I always do about 3. And you can feel it start to, or hear it start to drag. Then you don't want to do as much. But the tire's still free going. But still, you don't want to go too far because then you're going to undo it. But you can hear the difference, right? We want to center the shoes because one could be off to the side compared to the other one. We want it centered so when we're adjusting the spin that they're going to be even and it's not catching on one side and not the other side. It's getting there.
So I just got one tire off the ground here. Truck's in neutral. Apparently with these limited slip differentials, it's better to adjust your rear brakes with both wheels off the ground. And apparently you're not even supposed to be able to freely spin one tire with the other one on the ground, or else your clutches are shot. So let me know what you think about that. Anyway, we basically adjusted them up so that you can choose a point on the tire, set it to 12 o'clock, and then when you give it a big spin, it should only go to about 9 o'clock. So to give you an idea of what it looks like inside, you've got this lever on the back of the adjuster. So when you're looking at it from the hole, what you're going to see is that. So if you go too far, what you have to do is take some kind of tool like this, reach in there and push back to release that lever, and then you'll be able to adjust it in the opposite direction. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something today, and just getting this channel started, so stay tuned for more how-to videos. Peace.